This is a 2017 Scania K410 Larden Interlink 53-seater executive coach. As you can see from the look, its fleet, it's in clean condition for its age. It's got very good tyres, Michelin's on the front like new. It's in original paintwork. There's a couple of marks. There's one there. Stretch panel's got a couple of little dinks along it. You can see there. Rear toilet, rear Continental door, which is a little bit different. Again, excellent tyres on the rear. Potentially could warrant a repaint at some point, but still very, very clean. The engine sounds really nice and sweet, and this is the K410, so it's the 6-cylinder engine as compared to the 365-cylinder, which I think is definitely better. We run these in our own fleet and we prefer the 6-cylinder 410. It's a better engine in general. And there we go, good tyres there. Again, cavernous luggage space, because obviously the rear toilet is floor mounted. Loads of space there. That's the drinks machine. Tyres on the front again. As we go inside, there's a nifty little drinks machine on the front there, which we don't know if it works. Courier seat. As we then go inside, see no faults on the dash. 494,000 kilometres. This is tested till February 25, I believe. There's the documents: V5, COIF, MOT, tacho, cal, 3-point belts, very nice pattern seats, USBs to the side, seatback tables and magazine nets. It's also got the carpet to go down the middle, which is in the luggage locker. It's nice red curtains. Go down the rear steps there. And there's the lovely toilet at the back. And there we go. Nice clean vehicle. One or two of the USBs I've noticed are missing. Otherwise, it's good. Also got all the documents from it from when it was new, the driver's manual, documentation, everything that it would have had when it was new, which is fantastic. And there we are. Very nice vehicle. Thank you.